Today our classes is Rolle's theorem. So in that classes what we learn about? We learn about Rolle's theorem, which is important for which is important for JEE and state board examination. So in that classes we learn about Rolle's theorem. What is Rolle's theorem? So Rolle's theorem. In Rolle's theorem, if the function, we consider one function. If f is a real value function, if the function f is a real value function, which is if f is a real value function, f is a real value function, which is defined on closed interval a to b, which is defined on closed interval a to b. What do you mean by that? It means that the closed interval a to b. If the function is verified the Rolle's theorem, there is the three condition. What is that condition? The first condition is that if the function is verified the Rolle's theorem, the first condition that it must be a continuous in a closed interval at that point. The second condition is that it must be a differentiable in an open interval at that point. And third condition, what is that? The third condition is fa equal to fb. So we write that the three conditions. What is that first condition? The first condition is the function is continuous. Function is continuous in a to b. The first condition is that the function is continuous in a to b. And what is the second condition? The second condition is that the function is differentiable. The function is differentiable in open interval. So if you what do you mean that? It means that it is the closed interval. We write that closed interval in that position. And the function is differentiable in open interval. Open interval, what do you mean by open interval? There are no equal to. So only less than. Here as greater than a and less than b. There are no exist of equal to. So what we write? Open interval we write that in that side. Open bracket a comma b. What do you mean that? It means that x greater than a less than b. But when we write closed interval, then we write that bracket. So what is that? What is the first condition? The first condition is that the function is continuous in a closed interval and function is differentiable in a open interval. And what is the third condition? The third condition is fa equal to fb. Fa equal to fb. When those three of conditions will be satisfied, then the function is verified the Rolle's theorem. If we assume that those three of conditions are satisfied, then the last condition, what is that last condition? We consider that f dash x equal to 0, and where we get 1 point, where x equal to we get one value of x, which is belonging to the c, where the value of x equal to c. The value of c, what is the value of c? The value of c belong to the in between a to b. The value of c belonging to the in between to a to b. So what is the Rolle's theorem? We understand that about the Rolle's theorem. So we do one problem. In one problem we understand the whole Rolle's theorem. So here the three conditions are satisfied. So we do one problem. What is that problem? The problem is that if we consider any function, if we consider any function fx equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 in a closed interval 1, 3. So what we do, we get one function, and in that function we know about that the function is verified the Rolle's theorem. Is not so we check the three conditions. The first condition, what is that? The function is continuous. The function is a continuous or not. So what is that function? The function is called a polynomial function. The function is called a polynomial function, and we know that every polynomial function is continuous function. So in any interval, in any value of x, in any real value of x. So it is the polynomial function. So polynomial function is a continuous function. So here the first condition will be satisfied. What is the first condition? The first condition is fx is continuous. Fx is continuous in close interval to 1 to 3. We check the second condition. So what is that function? It is the polynomial function. The same, the polynomial function is continuous and differentiable. So fx is differentiable. Fx is differentiable. Fx is differentiable in open interval. In open interval 1, 3. Why it is differentiable? Because it is a polynomial function. We know that we know that every polynomial function is not break in a curve. So if it is not break, then it is a continuous function. So we know that the polynomial function is a continuous function and a differentiable function. So we check third condition. What is that third condition? Fa. So here we compare that value a b. So what is the value of a? The value of a equal to 1. So we check the fa. What is the value of b? So what is the value of f1? And we check fb. Fb means what is the value of b? Compare that equation, a equal to 1 or b equal to 3. So what is the value of b? The fb means f3. So we find the f1 and we find the f3. If those values will be equal, then those third condition will be satisfied. Then the equation is verified the Rolle's theorem. So we find the value of f1. So we putting x equal to 1. When we put the value of x equal to 1, what we get? Here 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. So where we get 11 plus 1 12, 11 plus 1 12 minus 12, which is value 0. So we find the f of 3. So what we put the here where we put the value of x equal to 3. So when we put the value of x equal to 3, what we get? 3 to the power cube. We get 27. And 3 to the power square, which is 3 to the power 9, which is 54, and 11 3 is 33 minus 6. So we add 7 3 10, 3 to 5 and 6, and already 60. So 60 cut. What we get? We get the f3 equal to 0. So the third condition which is satisfied. So here f1 equal to f3. What we get? We get f1 equal to f3. So the function which is polynomial function, the polynomial function satisfies the three of equation. When three conditions are satisfied, what we do? We do next step. In next step, what we do? We do that f dash x equal to 0. F dash x equal to 0. Here we do that f dash x equal to 0. So those of conditions are satisfied. Then what is the condition? F dash x equal to 0. Here we see that three conditions are satisfied. Then what we do? We do next step. In next step, what is that? F dash is equal to 0. So here what we differentiate the value of fx. So we get the value 3x square. We get the value of 3x square 12x plus 11. We differentiate the function. What we get? We get that those values. So here we do middle term factor. We do middle term factor. If the middle term factor is not possible, we apply the Siddharacharya formula. What is the Siddharacharya formula? The Siddharacharya formula is x equal to plus minus x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2f. So what is the value of minus b? So minus 12 plus minus root over. So here the value of minus b. So which is minus of minus b, minus 12 and minus. So here 12 b square plus minus b square. 12 square, what we get? 144. 4ac. 4 3 is 12. 12 into 11. 12 into 11, what we get? 132. 2. What is the value of a? The value of a equal to 3. So what we get? Here the value of x equal to 2 plus minus 1 by root 3. So here what is the interval? Interval is 1 to 3, it means that 1, the value of x in between 1 to 3. So what is the value? We consider, if we consider the plus value, if we consider the plus value, then which could satisfy the condition 1 by root 3. What is the value of 1 by root 3? Its value is something point. So so here we here the two value of 1 by root 3. Here means what is the value? Is the value is we get something point. So which the value of x 2 plus 1 by root 3, and the other value is 1 by root 3. Both value lie between 1 to 3. So here we get the value of a 2 value. So the condition is apply the Rolle's theorem.